In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Godaddy website builder in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive in and get your website up and running quickly and efficiently. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Once you have your browser ready, navigate to the Godaddy website by typing in Godaddy into your search bar and clicking on the official site. When you arrive on the homepage, you'll see a variety of options available to you. To start building your site, you'll need to sign up for an account. Godaddy makes this process quite simple. You can choose to create an account using your existing Google or Facebook account, or if you prefer, you can select Continue with Email to use your own email address. After selecting your preferred option, you'll be guided through the process of providing some additional information to complete your registration. This might include some basic personal details, but don't worry, it's all straightforward. Once you've successfully created your account and logged in, you'll see the option to set up a free website. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the next step where you choose your website's main goal. Here, you can select from options like an online store, a portfolio, a blog, and more. This choice helps the builder suggest the best starting point for your website, tailored to suit your needs. After selecting your main goal, it's time to give your website a name. Think of something catchy and relevant to the purpose of your site. You may also be prompted to provide additional information, such as contact details, which helps make your site appear professional and complete. With your initial setup done, it's time to have some fun and customize your website. Godaddy offers a user-friendly interface for editing. You can easily edit text and images and choose from different theme options to give your site the look and feel you desire. You can also add or remove sections as needed and even customize the navigation to ensure a smooth user experience. Once you're satisfied with the design, remember to connect your social media accounts. You can do this through the Settings menu, where linking your site to other online profiles can enhance your website's reach and engagement potential. With customization and connections in place, the next step is to optimize your site for search engines. Godaddy provides user-friendly SEO tools to help your website achieve better visibility on search engines like Google. Take advantage of these tools by adding appropriate keywords and meta descriptions to boost your site's ranking. Now that everything is set up, it's the moment you've been waiting for. It's time to preview and launch your website. Go through a final review to ensure everything looks and functions as you envisaged. Once you're happy, hit that launch button and watch your website go live to the world. And there you have it, a sleek, fully functional website built in just a matter of minutes. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new online presence.